going to be going into the office today and producing as much as I can, as much wealth as I can for myself. I will be buying things for my loved ones because they're values to me and they're worth more to me than the money I would spend buying them the things that make them happy. If I get the time today, in fact, I intend to go to the one-of-a-kind craft show that's in Toronto. It is about, I don't know, 30, 36 aisles of production. Much of it quite good. This year, the one-of-a-kind craft show coincides with Reasons Harvest. So if I get a chance this afternoon, if time permits, I'll be traveling to Toronto, going down to the CNE grounds, the Canadian National Exhibition grounds, where the one-of-a-kind craft show is hosted, and having a look at what there is, what the mind has created this year for my pleasure and for the pleasure of those I love and like. So I've worked as much as I'm going to work today. I've put in over $1,000 worth of time, and so I'm going to go out now and visit the one-of-a-kind craft show in Toronto. But first I'm going to grab myself some takeout by getting in the drive-through line here. A nice efficient way to get my food so that I don't waste too much time. So I've just gone through the drive-through here at Wendy's, and I picked myself up something very quick to eat because I'm trying to get to Toronto and get some of the show in. I've gotten myself something I don't usually treat myself to, and that's because of the carbs. It is it's a breaded chicken sandwich, a spicy chicken. Anyway, it's going to taste good and it's going to go down faster than a full course meal will, and that's important. Now, of course, in the spirit of Reasons Harvest, I've bought myself a bottle of bottled water. Convenient, cold, right when I want it, where there's no taps, and I'm going to enjoy that with my sandwich. That's good. Okay, next up will be the Canadian National Exhibition grounds, where the one-of-a-kind show is, and I'll show you that next.
Wash your container, top end of the GTA roads are all wet and sloppy. Northbound Highway 400 delay Shepherd.
Now, which of you is the artist?
We are both the artists.
You're both the artists.
Indeed.
But he gives you all the credit.
Absolutely.
So, do you have a different, like you each work on the same piece, or you each do pieces that are here?
We have our own work.
Okay.
In truth, we help each other out,
Right.
completing the pieces. But yeah, we're very separate in the creation and the ideas.
Nice. I really like these romantic ones that you've got with the dancing and the. Over on the right-hand side, there's. What do you have a name for each piece?
No, I have a general idea for them. You may have read on the tag. The idea is that two halves make a whole. So, as you can see, they're hollow,
Yeah.
yet they complete each other.
Nice. And you had. Oh, here it is, right here. There's the tag for it. When in Spain, number 2.
That's right.
Excellent.
How's it look?
Pretty good. So I'm here to look for some balsamic vinegar. And I understand that you have something that's an alternative to it.
Absolutely. This here is a maple syrup from the Mennonites in St. Jacob with a touch of apple, and it goes through the same kind of dehydration process like the balsamic traditional, only on a smaller scale. And the consistency is the same. I think you'll enjoy this.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
On salmon, ice cream, even.
Tomatoes?
Yes, you can put on tomatoes, you can put anything you want, but it's nice on salmon, especially ice cream.
Excellent. Well, put me down for a bottle of that.
Okay.
Hold on.
These three are the ones you like.
Well, I like this one that's right at the bottom here. This nicely, yes.
This one is. Show this to the camera.
Okay.
It's alder burl. Can you see the flame in this?
Oh yeah.
This burl I got from a fella who was offered the tree from a lady who lived 10 minutes from the C&E grounds, and the deal was he could have all the burl the tree had if he would take it out of her foundation, because it's considered a junk tree, a weed tree.
Is that right?
And it's a city dweller.
Is that right?
Alder burl. This bank, by the way, is the same wood, but not the same burl. Not like this.
Not the same
from
tree.
Another source.
Wow. Well, I'll take that one.
Beautiful.
That's wonderful.
Totally beautiful.
That's all handmade, right?
And it's all handmade, and it's totally freehand sanding. Some things like this I set with a jig, but in this case it goes through 5 grits of sanding staged, and it's all freehand.
Nice.
I did that.
Are you the artist?
I am indeed.
How long have you been doing the art with the wire?
About 15 years.
15 years. And I saw this Salvador Dali here. I've seen you in previous years. Have you had this one in particular for long?
Not that one, no.
Is that just new for this year?
Yeah.
I know how much you spent on all that food.
I'm here at the One of a Kind show, and I'm looking at some of your paintings, and I saw this one right over here, which is a picture of a woman enjoying a dance of some sort. Maybe you could explain to me what it is?
She's a modern dancer, and it's just an extreme position that I wanted to capture.
Just happiness and joy in the dance?
Happiness and freedom.
And freedom. Wonderful.